Power outages never show up when it's convenient, and if you've ever found yourself in the dark during a storm, out camping, or on the road, you know how quickly the inconvenience turns into a hassle. Not long ago, solar generators were kind of a niche gadget. These days, they're a go-to backup, a travel companion, and honestly, one of the smartest things you can have on hand. We've tested a bunch and narrowed it down to 5 that actually deliver. No fluff here, just real-world power, speed, and portability. All the product links are listed below. Number 5. Bluetti AC180. Coming at number 5, we've got the Bluetti AC180, a well-rounded solar generator that strikes a sweet spot between power and portability. It's not aiming to be a heavy-duty powerhouse, but that's not the point. What you're getting here is a dependable source of energy for weekend getaways, minor outages, or for RVers who want reliable performance without eating up too much space or budget. Inside, it's packing a 1,152 watt-hour battery, paired with a steady 1,800 watt output and a 2,700 watt surge capacity. Plenty to keep essential devices like a fridge, some lights, and a few smaller appliances going at the same time. The LiFePO4 battery is a big win too. Longer lifespan, better safety, and better resistance to extreme temps. The AC180 also includes an uninterruptible power supply, UPS mode, which automatically kicks in during outages. Super handy if you want to keep things running without any hiccups. For anyone looking for a durable mid-range solar generator that won't drain your wallet, the Bluetti AC180 is a reliable option. No bells and whistles, just solid, straightforward performance. Number 4. EF EcoFlow Delta 2. In the number 4 spot, we've got the EF EcoFlow Delta 2, a slick, fast-charging solar generator that's practically built for folks who don't have time to mess around. It's compact, easy to use, and punches above its weight when it comes to features, making it a perfect pick for anyone dipping their toes into backup power or just looking for something portable and reliable. It carries a 1,024 watt-hour battery and delivers 1,800 watts of continuous output with a surge capacity up to 2,400 watts, enough juice to handle everyday appliances like coffee makers, hair dryers, and even some power tools without breaking a sweat. The real star of the show, though, is its charging speed. Thanks to EcoFlow's speedy tech, you can juice it from empty to 80% in under an hour via AC. And if you're running solar, it can take in up to 500 W, meaning a full recharge is possible in just a few sunny hours. At just 27 pounds, the Delta 2 is easy to carry around the house, haul in your car, or stash away when not in use. For urban dwellers, weekend warriors, or anyone who wants quick, reliable power with a modern edge, the EcoFlow Delta 2 delivers a ton of value in a surprisingly small package. Number 3. Jackery Solar Generator 4000 Kit. Coming in at number 3 is the Jackery Solar Generator 4000 Kit, a heavy-duty setup made for anyone who needs serious, long-lasting power off the grid or during extended outages. This isn't your average portable power station. It's a complete system featuring the Explorer 2000+ base unit and 6 Solar Saga 200-watt panels, giving you a ready-to-go solar package right out of the box. At its heart, the Explorer 2000+ packs a 2,048 watt-hour battery, but thanks to its modular design, you can expand it up to a massive 12,000 watt-hours by adding extra battery packs. That's more than enough juice to run big-ticket appliances like a refrigerator, microwave, or washing machine for extended periods, or power multiple smaller devices all at once without breaking a sweat. The extra battery packs stack and connect without any extra wiring, making expansion simple and frustration-free. It's perfect for those who want serious power without the complexity of a full home solar install. Whether you're building out a van life setup, outfitting a cabin, or just want to be ready for whatever comes, the Jackery 4000 Kit delivers high performance with no compromises. Number 2. EF EcoFlow Delta. 3. Plus. Taking the number 2 spot is the EF EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, a high-performance solar generator that quietly brings together power, speed, and smart features in a seriously capable package. Whether you're prepping for outages, building a home backup system, or just want something that runs without fuss, this unit delivers on all fronts. It starts with a solid 2,048 WR base capacity, but if you need more, it's expandable beyond 6,000 WR with extra batteries. The 2,400 watt AC output isn't more than enough to run big appliances like a fridge, space heater, or even a central AC unit in short bursts, thanks to a hefty 5,000 watt surge capability. Out in the real world, this thing handles multitasking like a champ. You can have your fridge running, cook something in a microwave, and still charge your phone and laptop, no problem. The EcoFlow app gives you full remote control, letting you check usage, manage ports, and even adjust power settings right from your phone. If you're after a no-drama high-capacity solar generator that's smart enough to handle complex setups but simple enough for daily use, the Delta 3 Plus is one of the best out there right now. Number 1. Anker Solix C1000. Holding down the number 1 spot is the Anker Solix C1000, a solar generator that nails the balance between affordability, performance, and everyday practicality. It's not out to dominate with sheer size or flash, but instead focuses on being rock solid, reliable, and ready whenever you need it. Whether you're prepping for outages, heading into the outdoors, or just want a no-fuss backup power option, this one delivers where it counts. With 1,056 watt-hours of capacity and a steady 1,800 watt AC output, plus 2,400 watt surge, it's got the muscle to handle common household essentials. Think refrigerators, electric kettles, fans, or keeping your gadgets charged during a blackout. What really makes it stand out is how quick and flexible the recharging process is. You can use AC and solar simultaneously for up to 1,300 W input, giving you a rapid 0 to 80% charge in just about 43 minutes. The whole setup feels intuitive and efficient, making it perfect for people who want power without extra hassle. If you're looking for a well-rounded, user-friendly solar generator that punches above its weight, the Anker Solix C1000 earns its top-tier status with ease. And that's the roundup, 5 solar generators that really hold their own. Whether you're gearing up for emergencies, planning your next off-grid adventure, or just want a solid backup, one of these will have you covered. Check out the links below, and as always, thanks for tuning in.